to all my beautiful sweeties. I hope you're doing amazing as always. Don't forget to hit that like button for me. If you're new, hello, I'm Sugar. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get more affordable hair content notifications from me. And if you are loving the hair that I have installed right now, that video is already up, and it's really giving, so you guys should go check that out. But today we're going to be doing some Amazon hair from Encii. It is a 12-inch straight bob. This is the box that it comes in, very sturdy. So inside the box you get the wig, you get a stocking cap, some lashes, and they also include a journal. This is the wig itself. It is 12 inches. This is a straight unit, and it is a 4x4 T-part. So you get the 4x4 spacing, but you just get a part in the middle and a little bit of space in the front to maybe lay baby hairs or something like that. This is what it's looking like, and let's put it on. Okay, you guys, so this is it on. I love the length already. Again, not very much space to customize, but we're gonna see what we can do. The hair feels really good and soft, very silky. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my Got2b glue on. I usually do like 2 to 3 layers, and I'll be back. So as I was putting it on, I did rip it a bit right there. I don't know why this happened. I was just like pulling it down. I don't think it's the wig's fault. Maybe I was just being really aggressive, you know? It'll be fine though, I think. I think it'll be fine. Oh boy. We'll make it work. So that's what it's looking like. You know, sometimes with these T-parts, you can get away with tweezing, and then you put your baby hair down, you kind of can't tell. They really aren't giving you much. With this one, I'm gonna try to tweeze this part out a little bit and get that going and making it look a little bit more natural. Okay guys, so this is what we got so far. I'm actually loving it. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my hot comb, just flatten everything out. I think it's looking pretty good. Like, I'm not mad at it at all. So that's with it like tucked behind the ear. I think it still looks really amazing. And then I'm actually loving this like little 90s flip right here. So instead of bumping it, I might flip it. I don't know. I might do both. Let's do both. Okay, So, you know, I'm actually really happy with this because you just kind of throw it on and it's no necessary baby hairs involved. Really flat, it looks good bumped, and it's cute flipped as well. Okay guys, I know this is like a really quick video. I planned on like tweezing and trying to make baby hairs and all these things, but once I put it on, I kind of got where it was going. The thing about this wig is not a lot of customization that can go on because the space between the front and the track is just non-existent. But I'm okay with that because this wig is kind of meant to just put on and go. As long as the part looks really natural, I think it looks fine. I'm really satisfied with it. I think it's very sleek, and let me put those flyaways down. But I'm very pleased with this. I think it's just really get up and go friendly, you know? So yes, every wig is not necessarily meant to be super scalpy. So that's one of these. Very quick video, I know, but that's just what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank Encii again for sponsoring this video. I would like to thank you guys for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the bell. And until next time, stay sweet.